Started from one tiny little seed. The leaves are broad and they spread out, and then you get these blooms on here, and they are all over, and they're beginning to open up. And they look like this just before they open up. Nice blooms, and they're here too, and they are covering this plant. But when they open up, these are red. They could come in orange or yellow or red, but the Mexican sunflower, pretty cool. And they are covering this bush. And this is all from one seed. And this one here is about 6 foot in the air, and the plant goes up higher. I got word from some backyard gardener friend yesterday that they have one of these that's over 12 feet tall. So, pretty good. Nice long straight stems. So I think these do well as cut flowers. So we're gonna cut some of these and bring them in. But we want to see how many bloom at once. Another one just opening up here. The bees love it and the hummingbirds love it. As it stretches up for that morning sun, way up there. Awesome. So this is October 3rd in Zone 9 in California. But lots and lots of buds on this. This has got a long way to go in blooming. And they look fantastic. So if you get a chance, try the Mexican sunflower plant. But this thing spreads out tall and wide. These top flowers here are right about the 6 foot mark. That's one plant. Most impressive. And then I've got lots of sunflowers still coming out. These are regular mammoths. I have some short stuffs over there. I still have some lemon queens. I have some dwarf teddy bear sunflowers that are coming out. These are the corn stalks. Look at that. Glass gem popping corn is growing right here. Very good. I have a loofah plant that is taking off, and it is stretching all over the yard. And then right here is an Indian snake cucumber. These can be up to 4 foot long. And I have a whole wall of gourds over here. I've got Armenian cucumbers, regular cucumbers, and some Japanese cucumbers still on there, but those are getting pretty tired. And tons of peppers still. Hope you have a great day.